real estate group here. We are in the kitchen cooking with Clarissa. Today, Clarissa is going to show us how to make a pumpkin cheesecake. And if you don't follow her page already, it's Clarissa Bush Homes on Instagram and Facebook. Follow along, watch us today as we're going behind the scenes in the kitchen. I'm really excited about this.
Thanks.
Okay.
It's going to be fun. We're making a pumpkin cheesecake because everything pumpkin. So we already have our ingredients. So Donna, just take the graham cracker crust. This is the graham crackers. Dump it in the bowl. Nope, in here. This bowl. Oh, we're so silly. Okay, now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And you know what? You can make them heaping tablespoons. They can be level tablespoons, whatever. And then you're going to, I'm going to mix this. Well, yeah, we'll mix it. And then just dump in a stick of melted butter.
Ready?
Yep, keep going. You can dump it in a little bit faster. We'll be here all day. And this is a quick and easy recipe. All right, we're going to pour it in. And now you're going to take your clean and washed hands that you already washed before we got on camera. And you're going to smash all that down. No, you're going to fork. Okay. So she's going to smash it all down at the bottom. And that is going to be our crust. Just get it firmly packed in there.
I see.
Good job. So while she's doing that, we are going to get the filling ready. So do I have any volunteers? Early. So we have 3 blocks of cream cheese. Go ahead and turn that off. Oh, first we have to make sure that
I've never worked one of these.
Okay.
Like, I'm not even joking. I really have not.
Really? It's locked. We always want to make sure it's locked. And then you flip that on. Just go. There you go. A little bit higher. There you go. So we are creaming the cream cheese. You want to make sure that you have room temperature cream cheese. So I pulled this out about 3 hours ago, and it's at room temperature. And go ahead and add, all the sugar. All the sugar. It's already pre-measured. There you go.
Look how talented I am. I not only sell homes, I bake as well.
All right. Our sugar is in. You are? Okay.
Yeah.
Now you're going to add the sour cream. All right. Justin, I think we're going to need some help.
Okay.
You need some muscle to crack the eggs.
Oh no! You don't want me cracking it.
Yes.
I want Elise.
Oh, no. You're cracking the eggs. We're going to use the same bowl.
I want the kids. The kids are better at cracking. I'm not
because actually, the 4th egg, you just want the egg yolk.
Oh, okay.
That?
I can do this.
Okay.
No, I don't.
Really, you don't?
No, I've never done this ever.
So this is where you crack an egg into your hand.
Okay. And then let it stream all
And
the way.
then let it stream all out. Yep, so that's what I want you to do.
No, Lord. Okay.
There you go. There you go. Good job. Okay, while she's opening that, we're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, a little bit more than a teaspoon of that, doesn't matter.
So what is this right here?
That is the pumpkin puree for the pumpkin.
Pumpkin puree.
Yeah. Let's get, here, let's just dig it out with this though. Go ahead, dig it out.
It goes in?
Yeah, it goes in.
Well, I'm left-handed.
You do realize that chefs are both left-handed and right-handed, right?
Well, I feel like this is a right-handed mixer. No, I got this. There. This is rather a conundrum. I wasn't ready. I was a little embarrassed.
You did great. And while she's doing that, we're going to add a tablespoon of the pumpkin spice. Okay, it's all mixed together. We're good. So just dump it in.
All right. We're going in.
You're going in.
No.
Just go in.
All right.
It's not that difficult. Okay, we're in. All done. Look at that. And then it's ready for the oven.
Ta-da! Donna and I are ready for our
our taste test.
Looks
Look
amazing.
at that. Our pumpkin cheesecake made with our pumpkin spice.
Oh, delicious. So now do we get to try a bite?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And there's quartz in that, right?
Look at that.
Wow, look at that.
Pumpkin cheesecake.
Here you go, baby.
Oh, it's amazing.
I bet it is.
Is it? Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Now that I've kicked all of my little helpers out, I just wanted to thank you for joining me and let you